Myself, Shishti Pyasi from BSc 5th SEM, Group CAZ, and my presentation topic is Self and Non-Self Recognition. I have given introduction, B cells recognition, T cell recognition, lymphocyte and antigen presenting cell, and B lymphocytes. So, the self and non-self recognition is defined as self-tolerance or the ability of immune system to distinguish self from non-self molecules. The immune system normally responds only to foreign antigens, indicating that it is capable or self non-self recognition. Antigen presentation are the basis of self and non-self recognition. B cell recognizing self from non-self, they mature in the bone marrow. If the receptor site on a B cell matches a surface protein found on a bone marrow cells, apoptosis occurs. The B cells that survive are those that will ignore the body's even surface. T cells recognizing cells from non-self. The surviving T cells can recognize MHC protein that have some foreign proteins in the cleft. The T cells ignore MHC proteins without any foreign material. Lymphocytes and antigen presenting cells. An effective immune response involves two major groups of cells, T lymphocytes and antigen presenting cells. Lymphocytes leave the bone marrow, circulate in the blood and lymphatic systems because they produce and display antigen binding cell surface receptors. Lymphocytes resides in the bone marrow and they follow the antigen, and then B lymphocytes mature within the bone marrow. When they leave it, each expresses a unique antigen binding receptor on its membrane. This antigen binding or B cell receptor is a membrane bound antibody molecule. Antibodies are glycoproteins that consist of two identical heavy polypeptide chains and two identical light polypeptide molecules. Thank you, ma'am.